Let's talk about this one. Convert in the polar form. Now this is something different. There's something different about this. It has only real part. It does not have any imaginary part. Okay, that makes things interesting. So let's try to convert this complex number in the polar form. Let z equals -3 plus, can I write it as 0i? Is that okay? Yes. We can write it as 0i and consider it as x plus iy, where x equals -3, y equals 0, and with the help of this you can easily find the value of r, where r cos theta equals -3 and r sin theta equals 0. Okay. So therefore r will be equal to under root of x square plus y square, which is under root of x square plus y square. Under root of 9 will be simply 3. Why not -3? R, in as per notation we consider the positive value only, so r is plus of this. Okay, that gives us the value of r, and cos theta becomes equal to -3 over r, which is -1. Sin theta becomes equal to 0 over r, which is 0 over 3, which is simply 0. Now sin theta is 0, cos theta is -1. Can you guess the value of theta? Very easily, yes. Cos theta -1, sin theta 0. Where does it bring us? You should remember, don't ever forget that theta implies the principal values, and the principal values lie in this interval, open -pi to closed pi. So keeping that in mind, can you guess the value of theta from here? Yes, sin theta equal to 0 would imply theta is multiple of pi, right? Theta could have been -pi had that been included, but -pi is not included. Theta can be 0 or pi. And for 0, this gives us 1, but for pi, this gives us a -1. Therefore, theta is actually simply pi. This is something which you can observe by plotting the point in the Argand plane as well. There's something which you can observe by plotting the point in the Argand plane like this. This is the Argand plane. Where do you think this point -3 plus 0i lies? That point lies on the negative real axis. This point is -3. And yes, this angle would be theta. Theta is simply pi. You can directly observe from there as well. So theta is simply pi, implying z equals, this implies z is equal to what? Z is equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta. Now r is 3. Z equals r times cos theta. Cos theta. Theta is pi. Cos pi plus I sin pi. This is what I'll be getting, and yes, that is my final answer for this question over here. This is my final answer. Yes.